exciting edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. I go by the name of Quentin Coles, aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we have a special edition. We're about to go Strong Island, Long Island. Now we got the ingredients out the way, let's make this bad boy. Now we got the drink out the way, let's go over the ingredients, what it take to make a Long Island iced tea. You need vodka, rum, gin, tequila, triple sec, and sweet and sour mix. We're gonna start off with vodka and rum first. You're gonna pour half shots. Then we're gonna grab our gin and our tequila. Another half shot. And we have our triple sec as well. Another half shot. Then we're gonna start off by filling with sweet and sour. Just a little bit to the rim, so just enough room to add our Coca-Cola. And we're gonna top and finish it off with a dash of Coca-Cola. Next, we just need to garnish. And we're gonna finish and garnish with a lemon. Stir it a little bit with our stir stick, and that's how you make the perfect Long Island Strong Island. Thank you for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. We appreciate you each and every week tuning in. If you haven't already, go look at our social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Feel free to go like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.
Irving puts it up. Let's go!